welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, as well as the bell notification, so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. As you guys can tell by the title, this video is going to be a everyday, but then again like a quarantine makeup. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna name this, but it is gonna be like my everyday makeup routine, probably like a little more simpler. If you guys do want a more like in detail video of my, you know, everyday makeup routine, I do have a video specifically for that, naming all the products that I use and everything, because in this one I'm not really gonna be like telling you exactly what I'm gonna be using. I will show you some products that I do use, but I'll probably link it up in the eye, or I'll link it somewhere down in the description bar. So if you guys do want to check that video out for more in-depth about, I hope you guys enjoyed it and stay tuned for it. I am gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me and the number 365. This is something that I use all the time. It's not very like full coverage, but you can build it up, so that's why I kind of like that one. I'm gonna be using the the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I'm gonna be using my black opal in Ebony Brown. I'm gonna spray my brush before using it. You can either spray your brush or spray your face. But I'm gonna spray this brush with the Morphe setting spray. I am also using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and this is in the color Golden in 142. And this is just a little bit lighter than me, and I'm just gonna put that in the creases of my eyes. Now what I am going to be doing is getting my Airspun and translucent, and I'm just going to put it in my highlighted areas. Now I'll be taking my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in medium to dark. I'm also going to use my NYX Stay Matte Powder Foundation in the color Xoxo and 19. I will be taking the Bella blush from Juvia's Place. And this is how it looks like. It's like a pretty orangey pinkish color. Alright, now it's time for my brows. I'm gonna do this off camera because I do have a video on this. I will also link that in the description bar down below if you guys are interested. So I did my brows off camera as well as did my eyeliner and put on my lashes. I didn't want to do my eyeliner on camera because honestly I'm not that good at doing eyeliner, and I don't want to be showing you guys something that I clearly don't know how to do. Right now I am gonna be taking the Morphe setting mist and spraying my face. Pick up like the foundation and stuff like that, so make sure like it's already like getting a little bit more matte and not as watery, so if that makes sense. Now literally take it and just pat everything into place. Alright, so I'm sorry for the lighting changing so much, you guys. Sorry about that. But now I'm gonna take my Essence mascara and I'm gonna first do underneath. I'm gonna do underneath my eyelashes. And then lastly, what I'm gonna be doing is my my lip. I am gonna be using this I'm not sure what this is called. This EBS Fashion Eye Pencil. I did get this at the beauty supply store. It's like your regular, it's just a regular brown pencil liner. Yes, a brown pencil eyeliner and lip liner. And literally I will go around and just line my lip. And I actually alternate between two, and I get one a little bit lighter, and I would kind of fill in the inner parts of it. And I'm not sure if I want to do this matte. Should I do this matte? Actually I'm gonna be doing it matte. I'm gonna be using the Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX, and this is how it looks like. And this is in the color Athens, I think. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's in 15. But this is literally my almost everyday makeup routine. I'm gonna fix my hair and everything, and then I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so you guys, this is the ending. This is the end result of how my makeup came out. Like I said, this is my everyday makeup routine. It's really not that long. If I'm not in a rush, this will normally take me like about 45 minutes. 45 minutes or 30 minutes or less. It honestly really depends on if I'm in a rush or not, because if I'm not in a rush, this can honestly take an hour, but in total this will probably take like around 30 minutes to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I really enjoyed this makeup look. And this hair is from my collection, which all the information will be in the description bar down below if you guys are interested in getting a unit done. I really love the way that I colored this style. Like, it came out so pretty. It came out actually nicer than I thought it would, honestly. Let me know if you guys like it in the comment down below, and if the color looks cute, if my makeup looks cute. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.